TAI-YEN Industrial Company Limited was established in 1962, specializing in the technical development of high-frequency and ultrasonic machinery applications. Since 1971, we have technical cooperated with Seidensha Electronics Company Limited to develop the TAI-YEN high-frequency welding machine. Furthermore, in 1994, we cooperated with Fuji Radio Industrial Company Limited to establish Shanghai Furong Industrial Heating Equipment Company Limited in Shanghai as a new research and development base. Today, TAI-YEN has become one of the most professional manufacturers of high-frequency and ultrasonic welding machinery equipment in Taiwan. The mechanical equipment developed by TAI-YEN Industrial can be widely used in the welding of auto parts, electrical products, stationery, toys, household goods, food packaging. There are various specifications and models to meet customers' needs. In recent years, the development of unique customized machines for auto parts and medical supplies has also been added. TAI-YEN Industrial has been in the global market for many years and adheres to the business philosophy of quality first, credit first. We firmly believe that with the growing technical strength, the fulfillment of customer demand, and the reliability of customer service, as well as the continuous innovation breakthrough, can create more value for our customers.